Welcome back to Let's Talk English Conversation LTEC. Hi, hello, how are you? This is Gulam Sarwar Shuman. You are watching me on my YouTube video. Today, I have any topic. Why? Because today I have come here to inform you that I have uploaded more than 100 videos in my YouTube channel, namely LTEC. The full name of LTEC is Let's Talk English Conversation. L for Let's, T for Talk, E for English, and C for Conversation. So I upload on my channel two types of video. Number one, tutorial video by which you can learn how to speak English as well. So while speaking English, you are in need of a lot of tips and you can face a lot of problems. I try to solve the problems by these tips which I upload on tutorial videos. And secondly, I have uploaded a lot of conversation video by which you can learn how to talk with native peoples inside of your country and also outside of your own country. So, how could you talk to the people outside of your country or inside of your country? That means with native people, you can learn by conversation video. So my question is, I have already uploaded more than 100 videos. So how much way should I wait that my videos are going to viral? So please subscribe my channel, stay with my channel, and please share my videos to everywhere by Messenger, by Fiverr, by WhatsApp, by Imo, by Instagram, by Twitter, everywhere. Because I upload those kind of video which is very needy for the people who is a very beginner of English, and especially for the people who actually wants to learn smart English on the track of American or British accent. Thank you very much. Here is the end of this video. Tomorrow I will come on the next video by which I can converse with the people with a definite and very important topic. Bye bye, tata, subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.